Okay, so let's take a look at Salesforce Apex do while loop. So we log into developer account and start the developer console, and then we will execute our code in anonymous execution window. Okay, so we'll wait for Apex. Okay, now go to debug menu and choose open execute anonymous window. If you have any existing code, you can remove that. Now here I'm going to write do while loop. For that, let's first create one integer. Let's name it I and assign value of 1. Okay, after that we will use do keyword, and while that do keyword is running, we will output system.debug, and value is okay, so value of I plus plus. Okay, then in while we set the condition I less than, let's say, 3. Okay, and then we come out of that. So basically this loop will be executing till the value of I is greater than 3. Okay, so we'll check the output in executed log. Okay, so there seems to be error here, so we'll take a look at that. Expecting semicolon, but was end of file. So yeah, here it was semicolon that was missed. Okay, so we execute and log file will come in. In user debug we have to check the value, so check the event for user debug. Okay, so user debug value 1, 2, and when it becomes 3 it comes out of loop. So you get the idea how to run do while loop in Salesforce Apex.